Welcome, here I've got TCL 25G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category. Here we can find the spirit level option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our leveler. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here we have it at the center in the preview. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need it, we have to go back to the left corner settings, slide down to the general and pick the spirit level button from the right to turn it off. So for now, in the preview, the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.